Hi, this is Nicole Norman. I'm from the Home-Based Peddler. I want to show you my version of the Dutch fold card. The tutorial was from my sister's scrapper. The paper is from HOTP Press. It's called Penelope. And this comes with it too. It's a paper towel and it's 3D. And I added some frills here. I also put inside, I put some magnets. They're here also. And this is when you open the card. Here you can put your message, but you can also stamp something else here. I didn't touch it yet because I didn't know how I was going to use it. So, but the paper is beautiful, and I have enough paper to do the same paper, but I do the opposite. Like these two colors I would put there, and this color I would also put at the outside. I have another paper towel that I can put for my card. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.